Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you guys are from. And basically making a video for those that are considering getting themselves a Bosch power compact cordless drill. So just to make you guys or help you guys make an informed decision before you buy. So basically what I purchased for myself was a cordless drill, an 18 volt one. I believe Bosch offers a 12 volt option, but the one I bought was a set. It actually comes with the charger, two battery lithium-ion 18 volts battery pack, and also the compact drill. And then those tools right there on top, those are, I bought that separately, and those are not Bosch. I'm not in any way biased with Bosch, but when it comes to power tools, I do like them. I've used it a lot, and yeah. So for one, so I've got my charger plugged in. So it comes with two battery packs. So far I haven't actually like completely drained the battery when I'm using this tool. So but I sometimes just change it just so like the spare one, I don't know, doesn't get like lose its charge or get discharged essentially. So to charge a battery, it's fairly simple. So you just slide it in and like that, and then you'll notice this starts blinking. So a blinking light basically means it's charging, and once it's completely charged, fully charged, it will just stay solid green. So that's how you know that the charging is complete. And now let's move on to, and then for connecting it towards the drill, so you press this to remove it. There you go. By the way, and there's just that's just to sort of slip it onto your belt or to whatever. I just put that in. I got it screwed right there, but yeah. So then just to put it back on, you just slide it in, and then you'll hear a click. There you go, and that's all in. And so this drill comes with, notice there's this sort of push button. So if you, it's basically to reverse the rotation. So when it's in the middle, it's locked. So however I press it, it won't rotate. So when you press it one way, so it notice it's rotating to the left, and then you press it the other way, it's gonna reverse. And by the way, you notice there's also a light, which is a very nice feature. So like when you're maybe doing or screwing or drilling into like a not well lit area, notice you'll see the light. So notice where the light is pointed. So wherever you're drilling, it kind of gives you a better vision or visual of what you're trying to do. And so let me just lock back in. Now to put a drill bit set, so I've got right here a few drill bits and then screw that I have. So first off, like with a screwdriver, you just put that in, and got it all the way in actually. So let me just, so you put it in, and then you tighten it, And you actually feel, as you're tightening it, you'll feel a lock of some sort. There you go. So that means that's locked. So when you, when you use it, so that's a screwdriver. So, and depending on how hard you press, it kind of also regulates the rotation. So like a light press, and a little bit, and then if you press all the way, so you'll notice there's that, and by the way, there's also a setting for, I guess, the power that you want to give to your, to the sort of the rotation. So you can, I guess, so yeah, that's, and oh, and by the way, this one also, there's sort of like, not really sure what this does. There's a 1 and a 2. I gotta read the manual up for that. But yeah. So that's although for me, I just usually keep it at the maximum. There, at 20. Because I'll usually just control it with the pressure when I press the trigger. Okay, so now, so that's for a screwdriver. So let me loosen that up, take that away. And then there's this one for the drill. So you can, like, there's really a lot of things that you can use this for. So this one is just like a small, like when you're trying to drill a small hole. So notice that that's also an option. So and then I've got this other one that's like fairly big, actually, right here. I gotta put this back all the way in. This one, like I said, it's fairly big. See, but it still fits in. There you go. So yeah, so then there, that's locked again. So yeah, that one's so if you're trying to drill a pretty big hole, there you go. So that's for, so I've shown you one for screwing using a screwdriver, and then I also use my drill like for so I've got these, I got a Stanley socket set right there. This one, oh, I guess I didn't show you properly. So I've got a Stanley socket set right there. So you can use it for that one as well, although you will need an adapter. So I got this one also from Amazon. So this is what I use. So let me just show you. Although this one is a 1/2 inch, so you need to get this one. But if you got like a 1/4 inch driver, then you obviously need to get an adapter, which are these ones. So this one, I believe, is from 1/2 inch to 1/4, and then I guess this is a 1/8. So obviously these little ones right here that I've got, so this will obviously fit, so you'll need to use like an adapter. So I've got like 3 different ones. So but for this adapter, you'll need this one first. Get that in. and then put this in, and then that's when you can put this in. So notice how, granted there's several different adapters that you need to get, but still you can use it for like sockets, right? So and mind you, one other use that I've got for this is like when I'm changing my tire, my tire for my vehicle. So, which is why I got these two big ones right here. I've got a small for my car. I've got a 19 socket screw on it. So this one is what I can use. So yeah, there you go. So, though granted with vehicles, obviously the tire screws are screwed in and torqued. So I have tried it to, like, from completely torqued, you can't really loosen it. So you'll likely need something to just sort of loosen it, and then after that I would use this to just quickly unscrew it completely. And then in the same way, when I'm putting it back, I would screw this, and then you'll have to use either a torque wrench or like even a manual wrench just to completely torque it properly, or else I wouldn't recommend just using this and not torquing your vehicle. Obviously that's very dangerous, and also if you don't know, you're not familiar with the amount of torque that you need to apply to your tire screw, then yeah, get a professional to do it. You don't want to be driving with a tire that, you know, it might get loose and the tire might come off. So it's not really nice. Oh, and by the way, I just noticed, look at that, it's solid green now. So yeah, because I haven't been using this battery for quite some time, so it's pretty much fully charged. So as you notice, just within roughly about 10-12 minutes it's already fully charged. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys learned something, and then head on to Amazon. They've got that Bosch holiday promotion right now. So if you buy worth $149, you'll get a $30 discount, or well, you gotta apply the promo code. It's basically 30 off, so that's 30 OFF. You just gotta apply that when you check out, so that it discounts it by $30. So yeah, you can get there. I believe the set that I bought is still available there, but if you head onto my blog, I actually commented or recommended getting the one with an impact driver as well. That's one of the regrets I've got, or I have. I should have gotten, like, it's a two tool combo kit. So the compact drill and the impact driver. So yeah, and who knows, I might end up getting the impact driver, but that one would be separately. But yeah, it's more cost efficient to get two in one, because I think it costs about $159 right now in Amazon, and then less the discount, then plus the shipping and handling. Although there's a way to minimize that shipping and handling. Again, go to my blog, read it out. It's on myjourneytowealth.com /Bosch holiday promotion. Or no, sorry, Bosch cordless drill. Sorry, my mistake. Okay, yeah, so yeah, check it out. Read through my blog. I've got some recommendations there and some tips. And also I've listed there other Bosch products that you can purchase. So yeah, thank you very much for viewing. Hope you somehow I've helped you make an informed decision. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Over and out.